The man climbed out the window. He needed to reach the lower floor to get an oxygen mask, but below him was a cloud of toxic gas. Even a single breath would mean death. He held his breath and climbed down fast. Soon, he reached the next floor and smashed through the glass to get inside. He quickly found the oxygen. He put on the mask and took deep breaths. Then he prepared to take the tank with him. Suddenly, he heard a noise inside the room. He carefully opened a door and saw a small dog. Strangely, the puppy was alive, but the mother dog was already dead. He didn't think too much. He rushed home, replaced the battery in his daughter's air purifier pod, and left again. The backup battery would not last long. He had to go into the city to find more. But when he got to the street, he saw countless bodies everywhere. He found a car and removed a few batteries. Suddenly, he heard a whistle up ahead. He followed the sound. It was the army. They were helping survivors inside the trucks. But the soldiers didn't know what the toxic gas was. They only knew it came from underground. One soldier saw his gear and noticed it wasn't a real gas mask. He gave him a full oxygen protection set and told him to leave with the others. But the man refused. His wife and daughter were still at home. Before leaving, he asked the soldier for one more set of gear. That night, the man noticed the gas level rising. He made a note with his pen. An hour later, he saw it had risen a few more inches. He realized they had to escape soon. But his daughter was sick. She couldn't be exposed to the air. She needed a spacesuit. The only place to get one was in a lab in the city center. It would take 2 hours round trip. The daughter asked them to visit her friend. Her friend also had the same lung condition. The father agreed. But when they got to the friend's house, something went wrong. A big dog stared them down. They ran. Due to low visibility, the man slipped and fell into the river. The dog chased the woman. She was forced to hide inside a bus. The dog jumped in after her. Its leash got caught on a suitcase. She broke a window and escaped, then ran to the riverbank to look for her husband. Luckily, he was safe. He climbed out of the water. The two met up and rushed to the lab. There, they found the spacesuit. But just as they were about to leave, danger struck again. An explosion set the man on fire. His wife quickly grabbed a fire extinguisher and put it out. Then the man couldn't breathe. His oxygen tube had melted. With no other choice, they shared one mask and leaned on each other for support. They made it to the rooftop. Barely. There, the woman treated his wounds. Then they packed up the gear and got ready to leave.